In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect SSIS to Snowflake, access Snowflake data, and migrate that data to SQL Server. Let's dive in. Let's begin by accessing your Snowflake account to preview the data we'll migrate. Select the sample database provided in your environment and then choose the relevant schema. Within the schema, locate the customer table. To ensure everything is set up correctly, query the customer table to display some test data. Now, let's set up an SSIS project. We'll start by dragging a data flow task onto the control flow surface. Let's rename it to Snowflake to SQL Server to keep everything clear and organized. Next, we'll open the data flow task. From the toolbox, we'll find the Devart Snowflake source component and drag it into the package. In the connection manager, we'll fill in the following details: domain, user ID, password, database, and schema. Once the details are filled in, test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. As you can see, the connection is successful. Now, let's choose the customer table. We'll also preview the data to confirm we're accessing the right table. Everything looks good. Let's move to the next step. We'll drag the OLE-DB destination component from the toolbox into the data flow task. Connect the Snowflake source component to the OLE-DB destination component. In the OLE-DB destination, we'll set up a connection to the SQL Server database. Let's choose our SQL Server instance and ensure the credentials are correct. Now, we'll create a new table in SQL Server to store the migrated data. Next, we'll map the columns from the Snowflake source to the corresponding columns in the SQL Server table. Finally, let's run the SSIS package and watch the migration in action. Here's the result in SQL Server. All rows from the Snowflake account table have been successfully migrated. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it.